Hey everyone! Welcome back to Career Tops. We're so glad you're here because today's topic is one that's on everyone's mind. The future of work in an age of artificial intelligence. With all the buzz about robots and smart software, it's easy to wonder, are any jobs truly safe from automation? Today we're taking a closer look at the roles that AI just can't replace. No matter how advanced the technology gets, these are the jobs that rely on creativity, empathy, and the kind of human connection that no machine can replicate. Sure, AI is everywhere these days, powering our devices, streamlining businesses, and even helping us make decisions. It's quietly working behind the scenes, transforming industries and changing the way we live and work. But just like noise-canceling headphones can't capture the energy of a live concert, there are experiences and professions that technology simply can't duplicate. Some things are just better when they're real, raw, and human. We're talking about careers that demand compassion, intuition, and a personal touch. Jobs where being human is the most important skill of all. If you've ever worried about robots taking over your job, don't panic. There are still plenty of roles where humans shine brightest. In fact, some of these might surprise you and even inspire your next career move. So let's dive right in and count down the top 10 jobs that are truly AI-proof. Get ready to see why some careers will always need a human touch. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have entrepreneurs and innovators. These are the people who see opportunity where others see obstacles, who are constantly searching for new ways to solve problems and create value. They're the dreamers and doers, always pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. AI can analyze trends, crunch numbers, and even suggest strategies, but it can't replicate the gut feeling, drive, or vision it takes to build something from nothing. The spark of inspiration, the courage to take a leap of faith, and the resilience to keep going after setbacks, these are uniquely human qualities. Entrepreneurship is about risk, ambition, and imagining what's never been done before, something AI just can't do. It's about seeing possibilities where others see impossibilities, and having the determination to turn bold ideas into reality, no matter how tough the journey gets. So if you're hustling and building your own path, remember, you're the innovator, not the algorithm. Your creativity, passion, and vision are what set you apart in a world that's becoming more automated every day. Keep pushing forward, because the future belongs to those who dare to create it. At number 9, we have scientists and researchers, the ones pushing the boundaries of knowledge. AI can crunch numbers, but it's the human mind that asks the right questions and sees the bigger picture. Groundbreaking discoveries come from curiosity and insight, qualities AI can't replicate. Keep pushing the limits. Innovation needs a human at the helm. Number 8 is for the culinary masters, skilled chefs and culinary experts. AI can follow recipes, but it can't match the artistry and intuition that turn food into an experience. Cooking is about improvisation, creativity, and delighting the senses, skills honed by humans. So chefs, keep experimenting. AI might cook, but you create masterpieces. At number 7, we have social workers and community leaders, the heart of our communities. AI can analyze trends, but it can't offer genuine empathy or build trust during life's toughest moments. Social work is about understanding, compassion, and real human connection. Your work builds bridges and fosters compassion, something AI can't replicate. Number 6 goes to lawyers and legal experts, the champions of justice and defenders of our rights. While artificial intelligence can quickly analyze massive amounts of legal documents and even help with research, it simply cannot replace the unique skills and intuition that human lawyers bring to the table. AI can't argue a case in court, adapt to unexpected twists, or respond to the emotions and body language of a judge or jury. It can't connect with a jury on an emotional level or craft a compelling narrative that sways opinions. Law is about strategy, interpretation, and fighting for justice, skills that require a human touch, empathy, and the ability to think creatively under pressure. Keep advocating. Upholding the law needs more than just data. It needs real people with passion, integrity, and a commitment to justice. At number 5, we have healthcare professionals, the guardians of our well-being. AI assists in diagnosis and surgery, but it can't replace the empathy and compassion crucial to patient care. Healing is about listening, comforting, and treating people, not just symptoms. Your dedication and care are irreplaceable. Number 4 is for teachers and educators, the molders of young minds. AI can grade assignments, but it can't inspire, connect, or ignite a passion for learning. Teaching is about nurturing curiosity and creativity, something only humans can do. Keep shaping minds and sparking those aha moments. At number 3 we have creative artists, the painters, writers, musicians, and filmmakers. AI can generate art, but it can't replicate the emotion, perspective, or soul behind true creativity. Art resonates because it reflects the human experience, something AI can't grasp. So artists, keep creating and sharing your unique vision. Number 2 is for the skilled trades, the builders, electricians, mechanics, and fixers. AI can assist with repairs, but it can't match the problem-solving and adaptability of hands-on experience. When things break, it's human ingenuity that gets them running again. Your expertise keeps the world moving. AI can't replace that. And finally, at number 1 we have mental health professionals, the therapists, counselors, and healers of the mind. AI can offer advice, but it can't provide the deep empathy and trust essential for healing. Mental health care requires emotional intelligence and genuine connection. Your support and guidance are truly irreplaceable. There you have it, the 10 jobs AI can't replace. AI is powerful, but it can't match our empathy, creativity, or ability to connect. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What job do you think AI will never replace? Stay ahead with Career Tops.